Hi, and welcome back, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. This is our lesson 5, and we are going to pick up from what we had the last time. We are going to decompose using the numeral 7. So, we're going to see basically how many different ways can we make 7. So, I want for you to grab your whiteboard, grab your marker, or grab a notebook, a pencil, and your eraser. Let's begin. Now, I hope you have your materials ready. If not, you can pause the computer and come right back. Remember, guys, you can always pause to get your materials ready and then hit the play button when you're ready to continue. So, like the last lesson, we were decomposing, we're doing the exact same thing today. So, in an interest of saving time, let's get on with the lesson. You can pause it and play it and slow it down and pause it as you have a like. So we're decomposing. We're seeing how many times we can make the numeral 7. So let's begin. So I made an obvious pattern for you this time. I'm starting with what's that? 5 and 2. So 5 and 2 will give you 7. So that's the first thing we're going to start off with. So the part is 5, the part is 2, and the whole is 7. The whole is the same as the total. The total is everything all together. That is the whole. So the part is 5, the part is 2, everything together is 7. So that's one way that we can decompose 7. 5 and 2 is 7. You see that? Let's move on. Hmm. Another way is that we can look at decomposing is 6 and 1 because 6 and 1 is 7. So 6 and 1 is 7 because this is a plus sign. 6 plus, let me erase this because I erase this. 6 plus 1 equal 7. 6 plus 1 equal 7. 6 and 1 equals 7. That's another way that we can do decompose 7 because 6 and 1 is 7. That's another way. Let's look at another way. Looking at some strawberries. We can go at 2 and 5 because 2 and 5 is equal to 7. 2 and 5 is equal to 7. And because we did this before, we're not going to spend a long time on this one because 2 and 5 is equal to 7. And that's one way of making 7. Remember, guys, we're trying to see how many different ways we can make 7. Right, let's move on. What's another way we can make 7? We can make 7 by saying nothing plus 7 is 7. We can say nothing plus 7 is equal to 7. It's as simple as that. Nothing plus 7 can give me 7. That's another way we can do it. nothing, and 7 can give me 7. That's another way that it can be done. Yep, another way it can be done. We can decompose, we can break 7 apart by nothing. 7 can be by itself, and it will be fine. We can just have 7 leaves just put down in a corner, and it's quite fine. There's nothing wrong with that. All right, let's move on. Another one is looking at this. We can have what? What are you thinking? Another way that we can make 7 is by having what? 3 and 4, and 3 and 4 is equal to 7. So we can have 3 and 4, and it's equal to 7 because 3 and 4 actually makes 7. So that's one way we could break 7 apart because 3 and 4 does make 7. Yep, 3 and 4 make 7. You guys didn't know that? Yep. So look at how many ways we've made 7 so far. We've made 7 with 3 and 4 apples. We've made 7 with nothing and 7 leaves. We've made 7 with 2 and 5 strawberries. We've made 7 with 1 and 6 lamps. We've made 7 with 5 and 2. Yes. So let's look at where we are so far. So now we are going to make a decomposing tree. So we're going to put a 7 in the middle. And we've learned so far that nothing plus 7 makes 7. We've learned that 1 plus 6 makes 7. We've learned that what? 2 plus 5 makes 7. What else we've learned? We've learned that 3 plus 4 make 7. And let's look on the other side of the curtain. We've learned that 7 plus nothing is still 7. We've learned that 5 plus 2, because it's turned the same way around, is still 7. So of course we've learned that 4 plus 3, because if you whether you turn them around, whether it's this way or this way, guys, they still make 7. They're just turned around a different way. Whether it's this way, guys, so don't be fooled, or this way, honey bunches, it is still 7. Okay, hun? Now, until next time. Ooh, oh no, oh no, oh no. Trick you. It's the same thing, guys. This one's just different. This one is 4 and 3. We could still do it. 4 and 3. This is 4 and 3, 7. And that's what we were talking about this earlier. 4 and 3, which is still 7. Which brings us back to this one. 4 and 3 and 3 and 4, what I was showing you earlier. So whether you turn it around, yes or no, they'll always still make 7. So it doesn't matter what you're told. It's never going to trick you. It's always still going to make 7. Whether it's 4 and 3, or someone says to you it's 4 plus 3 equals 7, or it's 3 plus 4 equals 7. It's always going to be equal 7. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself.